So today I'm going to be giving you guys a braiding tutorial, a quick 101 on how to do feed-in braids. Braid Magic Ecolux braiding here. It's a big, huge 8-pack, and honestly, for this style, I'm not even going to use a full pack. So after you've done separating your hair, you're going to want to start with some gel or jam just right at the front and divide this section into 3, just like you would do a regular braid. 1, 2, 3. And you start just as you would a regular braid, making sure to grab at the roots. So I cross it like 2 or 3 times. Then is where we get to the fun part, adding in the hair. So I do it one of 2 ways. You can hook it on your thumb and pointer finger like this and scoop it under and grab it between your thumb and pointer finger right here. You let it go, and we're starting by continuing to braid, but only the back piece of the extension. And you braid 1, 2, then you take this, tuck it under, you braid again 1, 2 until that section of hair that didn't have any additional hair is right between your thumb and pointer finger. And you go ahead and do that again. Just tuck it under, then you braid 1, 2, swoop that under, and 1, 2. Now the other way, which is how I did it when I first learned this technique, is gripping it with my pinky. So I just put the hair and hold it between my pinky and ring finger so I can better swoop this under, and I'm still holding it, and I braid 1, 2, then I sweep this under 1, 2. Now that technique is amazing if you're using curly hair that can get in the way a bit, but with this kind of straight hair, I like this method. Just swoop her, 1, 2, swoop, 1, 2.
It's the freaking me, I wanna show ya. It feels so good, don't want it to be over. I'm not ready, I know that you like it, come closer. It's the freaking me, I want you. I love everything you do. I'd do anything for you. I love everything you do.
Now we're going to finish it off with this amazing Braid Miracle Soothing Spray. It provides instant relief and it's anti-itch for braids and more. So this is amazing if you're sensitive to braiding hair or if you just have a dry scalp.
What you here for? Till I cut the air, let you up with the key code. All this ice on, but he bought it cause your heat strong. You